Hey, the best way we can appreciate God is to do it in worship. It's true worship, yes. So if you want to worship God and do it well, hey, keep it simple. Don't play too many things, too complex things. Keep it simple. For instance, in a song like, uh, Glory, Lord, as we honor you. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. 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 It should be very simple and sweet. These are the chords you need to learn if you want to follow this lesson. In the key of F, the first chord is this, F. So F2, the D shape of F, then B flat, this shape, then C2, C2, this shape. That's all. You are good to go. Instead of this, you can also play this. Instead of this, you can also play this. And then the C shape of F. We give you glory, Lord. It's the chords are, we give you glory. 1. Then I'll go to 5. As we honor you. And I'll play it in the D shape. We give you glory, Lord. Then as we honor you. The reason is simple. So I can just get some pentatonic licks horizontally here. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Do, re, mi, so, la. Just here. F, G, A, C, D, F. You can also start from the so if you want. Anyway, it depends on what you want. Just study the path and you'll be good to go. That's all. So, do, so, la, do, re, mi, so, do. Do I understand? So we give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. The moment you touch on the chord again, we give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. And there is dominant 7th here will be this chord. F dominant 7th. You are wonderful. Back to 1. You are worthy, oh Lord. I'm getting the same chords around the 3rd and the 6th fret position. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. And you can do your solos around the D shape, between the D shape and then the C shape of F. This is the D shape and then this is the C shape. Anyway, I'm a Spratz. In case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson, with a pro. Hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. It doesn't matter your level. It doesn't matter where you stay and where you live, where you come from. It is done online. So it can be taken from anywhere on this continent. And in case you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and then press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Hey, like it, leave your comment, and bless someone with this. Share. All right. So we give you glory, Lord, as we honor. It is too short, so you can decide not to play anything on the 5. You can still play the same something on the 5. As we honor you, as which is J, C, D, slide to E, then back on J. So you are one. You go to B flat here. You can go F, B flat, C, D. That's all. You are worthy. On C, you can go to J, C, D. That's all. Then back to 1. So you can start with this.